Okay, so let's dive into the detail right now and look at how to move your taskbar in Windows 10. So how to move your taskbar around the screen on your Windows 10 PC is really quite straightforward and easy. I guess it's just like anything, it's knowing how to do that. Now, as you can see here, the taskbar is on the bottom of my screen, and as I understand it, that is the default position, but it could be somewhere else on your screen. So what you need to do is, if you get the mouse and if you sort of follow the highlighter there, mouse over the taskbar, okay, and when you're over it, if you right click on your mouse and go to taskbar settings. Now, the first thing we need to do is to actually unlock the taskbar. So where it says lock the taskbar, if you toggle that to off, and as you'll notice, there's a slight movement in the taskbar as it unlocked there. Now, the next crucial part for the taskbar to move is to go down to taskbar location on screen. Currently it's on the bottom, but you can select the right, top or the left. So you've got quite a lot of different options there. We're going to select the right. So that's now moved the taskbar to the right hand side of the screen, as you can see. But one of the issues that you may face, if like me, you have quite a lot of apps on the taskbar, because I use the programs regularly that we have here, is that you have to actually scroll, which can be really annoying. So if you've got this problem, I've actually created another video, link appearing on the top right hand side of the screen now. But if your taskbar is fine, I have created some other PC related videos for you, including how to get a transparent taskbar on Windows 10 or how to center your taskbar on Windows 10. You can click on the links appearing on screen now. But many thanks for watching our video today on how to move your taskbar in Windows 10. We'll see you on the next video.